We often get asked the question, what makes Franc different? And I think it's two things. Fundamentally, we are an investment platform that doesn't have any minimums. For many investment providers, you have to cough up a lot of money just to open an account. And unfortunately, that excludes a lot of people because nobody has 10,000 to 50,000 Rand just lying around. With Franc, though, you can invest, there is no minimum. You can put in 5 Rand, and that means that you're starting your investment journey. And for those that are maybe a little bit distrustful, I would even say, start small, grow big, build up that trust, and we'd happily work with you to earn that trust. The second reason, what makes Franc different, is that we can help you make a smart investing decision. You could go to the stock exchange and just throw a dart at the board and buy something, not knowing if that's actually the best in the market or the best for you. We can help you with both of those questions. What we've done is simplified the world of investing down to just 2 funds, sort of the best cash fund and the best equity fund in the market. Both of them are low cost and high performing. But we can also help you figure out how much investment risk is right for you. And that depends on what you want to do. If you're setting up an emergency fund, you shouldn't be actually exposed to any investment risk. Because when a rainy day comes, you need to be able to access that money. Whereas if you're investing for the future, maybe that's buying a house, getting married, or just wanting to grow your wealth, then investing in equity and taking on some investment risk is the right decision for you. So we always want to be simple, honest, and transparent when it comes to money. And unfortunately, there isn't a lot of frankness in the world of finance. And that's really what we're trying to change.